Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create circular white moon effects in Photoshop. We go to the select menu, click on the subject. After selection subject, go to the layer panel and background layer copy. Click on the marks icon, right click and choose marks to selection and click on the adjust icon and select solid color, make a black. Again click on the adjust icon and select solid color, make a black background and create a new layer. Select the elliptical marquee tool and shift key created a round selection. Go to the file menu, click on the fill and choose white and select to deselect. Go to the layer menu, click on the clipping mask. As a same process. Ctrl T free transform, adjust the shape. Go to the filter menu, click on the blur to Gaussian blur. Radius 20. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.